The avalanche hit us without warning, and in the chaos, I lost everything: my best friend, my gear, my hope. Stranded in the frozen silence of the mountains, I faced a choice: succumb to despair or fight for survival. As the days blurred together, I tapped into reserves of strength I never knew I had, driven by the echoes of my friend's laughter and our shared dream of reaching the summit. Each step through the snow was a tribute to him and a testament to our unbreakable bond. When rescue finally came, I emerged not just as a survivor, but as someone who had found a new purpose. The mountains had stripped away my fears and revealed my true calling: to inspire others to rise from their darkest moments and find their own paths to greatness. In the silence of those peaks, I discovered that even in tragedy, we can uncover the strength to triumph.